Welcome to Titan Machinery of Dickinson. In today's video, we will be demonstrating a 2007 Case 440 CT with 945 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this skid steer. Starting up front, this 440 CT has a 72-inch low-profile bucket, a 3,000-pound operating load, and mechanical quick coupler. This 440 CT is powered by a 93 horsepower engine and features a block heater and skid tracks. The cab is enclosed in a rollover protection system and is equipped with a suspension seat and work lights. Thank you for viewing this Case 440 CT. If you're interested in the skid steer and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-227-5309. To view other available used equipment, check out dickinson.titanmachinery.com.